Hi, I'm Dallas Tung with Keller Realty. Here are some spring maintenance tips for your home. The spring season is here, but this time it has sprung up with some considerations. For people busy in lush green and vibrant flowers, here is a reminder: the breezy weather demands some maintenance of your home too. Here are some tips for you to have a perfect home this season. One is compact your soil. If you're wondering about the need to add compacted soil, here are some reasons. We all know what the spring season is known for. The infamous floods. With spring flooding can easily lead your yard flooding and damages to your area. All your efforts of adding new succulents can go in vain. Thus, add compacted soil to maintain your home this spring, this season. Number two is clean doors and windows. Who doesn't want the natural light coming through the window in the spring season? But what you can possibly do if your windows have stains and dust, one of the spring maintenance tips is to clean your windows and doors regularly. And you do not have to buy expensive cleaners to clean them. All you need is mild vinegar and water mixed in a bottle. Spray the mixture on your windows and let the sun shine through them this season. Number three is move wood away from your home. There is no science behind it, but the winter season always ends up in a compilation of woods and planks. Maybe people are more active in the winter season, which leads to being the top season for home repairment. Thus, use the spring season to throw away all the residue. After all, woods and planks are favorite spots for insects, and spring is the favorite season for breeding. So, in a nutshell, who says you can't enjoy breezy winds and blooming flowers in the spring? But the season calls for a bit of maintenance too. Easily maintain your home with these three steps that I just mentioned. If you have questions on maintenance tips on your specific home, or if you have any other real estate questions, please reach out to us and using the contact information below. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.